Students, so today we are going to start exercise 1F, in which some statements are given to us. We have to convert them into integers according to the question, and then we have to solve. Just like as in first question, it is given a submarine submerged. Submarine you may understand like a ship which can travel in the sea and on the surface of the sea. Okay, submerged at a depth of minus 15 meter means it is in the sea at the depth of 15, and that's why minus sign is there. Dives 20 meter more means it goes down 20 meter more. Okay, what is the new depth of the submarine? So understand it by the solution. So here is the solution. Depth of the submarine is equal to minus 15 meter. Dives more means it goes more down, so that's why minus sign, because it is going down 20 meter. New depth, so minus 15 it was already, and then we have to add 20 more. Okay, so finally the depth of the submarine is minus 35 meter. Then come to question number 2. Question number 2, the temperature was minus 3 degrees Celsius in the morning and rose by, means it is increased by 10 degree Celsius by noon, means till noon time. Okay, it increased by 10 degree Celsius. What was the temperature at noon? Understand this by solution. So solution to temperature in morning is equal to minus 3 degree Celsius. Rose temperature 10 degree Celsius. It is of positive sign because it is risen, not fallen down. Okay, temperature at noon minus 3 degree Celsius plus 10 degree Celsius. So finally 7 degree Celsius. Now here is question number 6, important question. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0, means plus 10. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour, what is the meaning of this line? It decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour, means in 1 hour the temperature decreases, means it becomes minus by 2 degree. Okay, so the temperature decreases from 12 noon to till midnight, means till 12 o'clock, means the time is 12 hours here. Okay, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? Means we have to tell that at what time the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0. 8 degrees Celsius below 0 means minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, what would be the temperature at midnight? And we have to tell the temperature at 12 of the night also. So here is the solution of question number 6. Temperature at noon, means at 12 o'clock of the day, is 10 degrees Celsius. It is of plus sign. Decrease in the temperature in 1 hour. It is given in the question that in 1 hour the decreasement in the temperature is of 2 degrees Celsius. Because there is decrease, that's why minus sign. Let in T hours temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius, because they are asking us in how many hours the temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. So we just do let. Okay, decrement in temperature in T hours, because in 1 hour the decrement is of 2 degrees Celsius. So in T hours it will be of minus 2 degrees Celsius multiplied by T, multiplication of T and minus 2 degree Celsius. So it is 2T degree Celsius. Now temperature 10 degree Celsius, it was at noon. Now this is the decreasement, so minus 2T degree Celsius. Okay, so the temperature which we require, that is minus 8 degree Celsius. Okay, this as it is. Now this 10 degree Celsius, it will go towards the left side of the equal sign, so its sign becomes of minus, because here is plus, so it will become of minus. Okay, now here this minus 2 T degree Celsius as it is, and here they both the signs are of same sign, signs are same. Okay, so that's why add them and the sign will also be same. So now this 2 minus 2, it is in multiply with T degree Celsius. So as it will go on the other side of the equal sign, it will be in divide. So T is equal to minus 18 degree Celsius divided by minus 2 degree Celsius. Okay, in divide, minus divided by minus, it gives us plus. So 2 9 is 18 in 9 hours. So in 9 hours the temperature will be minus 8 degree Celsius. But we have to tell the time, that at what time. So then at 9 p.m. From where we are getting 9 p.m.? Because we are given the daytime, noon is given to us. In noon we are adding 9 hours. Okay, so it is giving us 9 p.m. 9 p.m. temperature will be minus 8 degree Celsius. Okay, now hours between noon and midnight, because they are asking us that at midnight what will be the temperature. So this duration is of 12 hours. So decrement in 12 hours, because in 1 hour the decrement is of minus 2 degree Celsius. So in 12 hours it will be of minus 2 degree Celsius multiplied by 12. So it means minus 24 degree Celsius. Temperature at midnight, because at noon time this is the temperature and this is the decrement in the temperature. So 10 degree Celsius minus 24 degree Celsius, and finally we are getting minus 14 degree Celsius. So at midnight the temperature will be minus 14 degree